Hello everyone, I bring another video now again. I've been using lately with an indicator, guys. Is that Ichimoku, okay? And now we're gonna use that Ichimoku with envelopes. Alright? In previous, I had used 20 period on exponential movement average. And this time I can use the fast channel, which is like kind of the channel, so it's the same strategy concept. Okay? Similarly, based on the channel, I draw when the price would not cross these three lines. And will the price goes up? There are a kind of channel like the Bollinger Bands and so on. I'm going to wait for the first entry. And when having it, I will take the explanation for you. In the expiration, the time will be the mood meter with an amount of $33, guys. And let's go with the time frame for 30 seconds. Okay? And for that, guys, since it's the time frame, the expiration time will be the 1.5 minutes. Let's go to the Ichimoku indicator. All right, so let's set up this for this situation. For that one, we're gonna use 9, 26, and 52, and that's it again. As you can see there, this only said the two indicators on thinking of this. All right. For envelopes, 14002, simple movement and close. The color is up to you. All right. As you can see there, we are good to go. But I think that I entry dies right here. But I think that was late, man. Right? I did something else and now I don't think so. We can see that here. The whole area is moving very strongly upward, right? But look, the entry point is a fact to me, man. But anyway, 1.5 minutes in that there with the candle. Look at the right Nash candle. As close above average 3 average on. So here to break everything. And that's a clear concept. A balanced trend, so that's the channel would happen. The problem is that entry late, guys. Second, there is volatility. Third, I am always close to the maximum. That's the point right here. Okay. So that would be the last candle. Not for me, the position ends up higher because actually fulfilling the strategy. But I don't have that. I don't have enough time. But anyway, let's wait to see how the first position turns out. Okay. And look at that, man. Just respecting that's very good. We got our first one. We have the first success. $62 in the total, guys. I'm going to look for another one, okay, using the same criteria and the cross zone. And look when the area hinges and doesn't work for me. It has to be a trend. All right. Hey, do you want to join a group where share signals and strategy that really work? And the best part, it's completely free. Then listen up. In my free group, I share various strategies, insights, and live operations, 100% real and transparent. I will never ask you for money and won't spend anything to join, alright? Want to learn how to earn more with operations? Click the link in the description or the first pinned comment and join the group now. See you there, guys. And there is now the counter trend. Okay, remember that. Look right here, guys. The possible entry, the maths, both MB1 and 30 seconds. It's look like it's crossing the zone. Sure, that's very low, but how it matters. Okay, that's a good one. I have entry on that. So what's the cat, guys? Just click on that. A downtrend. Let's wait for that. That's a good one. Well, according to the candle, how does it end here? Is reject and cross the Ichimoku indicator, guys, the channel, okay? That's the entry criterion. Now let's wait to see and how the second position that sections end. All right. So look at that, 1 minute for that. So guys, 30 seconds to go. We still have a good setup, but there's a volatility. And we are good. That's respecting Ornus. That's very good, very good. Let's hope it stay down and give us the win, guys. That's starting to go up again. Don't do that, man. Please, just go down. Come on, come on, come on, baby. All right, guys, we got this. Our win again in second position, $105. Okay, essentially, it's waiting for the price to cross at 3 average and of course, if the crossing point not higher because that's more complicated, and if the range doesn't work because it would already have the criterion for the entry of average, I wouldn't work and would have the trade its range. Note, not where I'm in the channel and say, okay, I'm going to enter here, or I can use the channel like I do. I said no, it's too high. It's not going to enter either. Or okay, we have right here another possible entry in that. Okay. The criteria right here, guys, we do have to enter upside as long as the candle closed above the zone. There is volatility. We're seeing red movements and going down, make it down on that. If you look closely at the Quotex piles and see that is filing, it's just falling. It's look the wick, okay, and of course it stayed below. Of course it's volatility, and another thing worth mentioning is that when it's volatile, this strategy may not work. It can fall that very quickly, right? From here to here, after turning around, you lose your position because it's invalidates or header that invalidates very quickly. We don't lose any trade for right.
Hey, wait a minute. Before I see the results of this trade, how about competing for a 100 account to test the strategy I taught in the video? It's simple. Leave a positive comment and join my Telegram group through the link in the description. Let's make the most of it.
Guys, I'm going not to raise the market here. Not to lose what I have gained, okay? So your work on that is very safe. Alright? For that not to lose this, I'm not going to take a risk. And let's wait for that. 5 seconds, 4, 3, 2, 1. We got, last second, we got this again. $194. That's good one, guys. I look at the candle closes, get rejected, it's fall below the price. It's fall below the 3 average, both Ichimoku and Envelopes. And one would give me the 1.5 minute, no more, because if there's more, it may fail. I raise my count for $3 to 194, guys. That's a good one. I invite you to leave your opinion in the comments to see how it works if you have tried strategies. Look in the financial markets I'm implying that I think this works, so give the video a like. Share with your friends, subscribe to the channel. This helps us grow, okay? And always keep your eye on the notification of the new videos, guys. So see if in our sessions that I hold every day on the channel. See you in the planet of the great guys, and see you in the next video. Bye bye, have a good one. See you.